September 2026 is less than a year away, and if you have a SIRET number, this electronic invoicing reform applies to you. It doesn't matter what legal structure you have, it doesn't matter what VAT regime you're under, and it doesn't matter whether your activity is VAT exempt or not. As long as you have a SIRET number, you have an obligation to meet before that date. Today, I'm going to show you how to be compliant in less than 5 minutes for free using the tool I personally use for this. The link is in the description, YB.Digital/go/indie. So in practical terms, what happens in September 2026, there is a first requirement called the receipt obligation. And this requirement is actually very easy to understand. But Indie is also much more than just an approved platform. It's a full invoicing and accounting tool. On the free version, you can create your quotes and invoices, customize them, send them directly from the platform, receive electronic invoices, and track your bookkeeping if you sync your business bank account. And this really applies to everyone. Micro entrepreneurs under the VAT exemption threshold with no VAT returns, VAT exempt activities such as physiotherapists or trainers, furnished rental businesses, property holding companies, freelancers, consultants. It doesn't matter. As soon as you have a SIRET number, this obligation applies to you. An electronic invoice is not a PDF sent by email. It is an invoice in a structured, standardized format that only goes through approved platforms. The content is exactly the same as a standard invoice, with just 2 additional details: the client's SIRET number and the transaction category. That's all. It's not a revolution, it's just a new transmission channel. And from September 2026, large companies and medium-sized businesses will be required to issue their invoices through this system, which means that if you buy something from a large retailer, for example, professional equipment from a store like Fnac, you may receive their invoice directly in your approved platform without having to look for it in your email. Your only obligation is to have chosen this approved platform so you're ready to receive invoices. That's it. And that's all for September 2026. I use Indie because it's free, because it's compliant, and because it's simple. Indie is an official approved platform. It appears on the list of approved platforms referenced by the French tax authorities. It has the necessary security certifications, including ISO 27001, to ensure that your data and information are transmitted properly to the tax administration. But Indie is also much more than just an approved platform. It's a full invoicing and accounting tool. On the free version, you can create your quotes and invoices, customize them, send them directly from the platform, receive electronic invoices, and track your bookkeeping if you sync your business bank account. And for bank synchronization, Indie is compatible with the main French banks. If you're looking for a business account suited to independent professionals, I also have a link in the description for that. YB.Digital/bank. But whichever bank you use, Indie will work with it. You don't need anything else to get started, and if you want to go further, there are paid options, but they are absolutely not necessary for the September obligation. So, I click the link in the description to create my Indie account, and I land on the sign up page. I enter my email address, create my password, and then I'm asked why I'm here. I simply select I'm here for electronic invoicing and confirm. In just a few seconds, the account is created. I enter the basic information about my business, my SIRET number, my legal structure, and that's it. It's simple, it takes 3 minutes maximum. Keep in mind that choosing an approved platform is not irreversible. You can change your receiving approved platform just like you change mobile phone providers. So if you choose Indie now and want to switch in 6 months, that's possible, and it's free. Once you're logged in, the approved platform is not activated automatically. That's intentional because Indie needs your explicit consent to register you as a recipient of electronic invoices. No approved platform can do that without your consent. To activate it is very simple. I go to the Invoicing tab in the menu. If I don't see it, I click on my initials at the top left, go to my business, and in my profile details I find Approved Platform. I click on it, follow the steps, and at the end there is a quick electronic signature to complete. It literally takes 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. I'm compliant for September 2026. From that moment on, in Indie's Documents tab, a new Received Invoices section appears. That's where all the electronic invoices you receive will automatically arrive. Let's see what happens when you receive an electronic invoice. In Documents, then Received Invoices, invoices appear there automatically without you having to do anything. As long as your supplier has your SIRET number, they know which approved platform to send the invoice to. They do not need to know Indie specifically. They get that information through the central directory, the PPF, the public invoicing portal. And what is really convenient here is the match button on the right of each received invoice. In one click, Indie will suggest linking that invoice to an expense in your Transactions tab with the correct amount. Your bookkeeping updates almost automatically, no manual entry. And if a supplier still sends you a standard invoice by email, that's not your problem. You collect that invoice, enter it manually in your accounting as usual, and it is their responsibility to comply with their issuing obligation. You have fulfilled your obligation as long as your approved platform is activated. Now let's move on to issuing invoices. Even though for September 2026, small businesses are not yet required to issue electronic invoices, nothing stops you from doing it right now if your client is a business in France. In the Invoicing tab, I click on New Invoice. I enter the client's details. The SIRET number is now a mandatory field for electronic invoices. I add the services or products, the amounts, and customize the invoice if needed. On the free version, there is no limit on the number of invoices. I can send them directly by email from Indie or download them. And when I eventually become required to issue electronic invoices, Indie will handle it automatically by routing the invoice through the correct channel. It's completely transparent for me. I create my invoice as usual, and Indie handles the format and the transmission channel. Here are a few cases that come up often. If you're under the VAT exemption threshold, the receipt obligation still applies. Your VAT regime changes nothing. If your activity is VAT exempt, such as trainer, doctor, or physiotherapist, the receipt obligation also applies. The only thing you will not have to do is issue electronic invoices because your activity is exempt. But you still need to have an approved platform to receive them. For small expenses such as restaurants, cafes, gas stations, or tolls, there are tolerances. Below 150 euros at a restaurant, for example, a standard invoice is still accepted. For tolls and gas stations, there is no electronic invoicing obligation either. For property holding companies and furnished rental businesses, the receipt obligation applies unless you provide the property free of charge to one of the partners. That is the only exception. For non-profit associations under the 1901 law and for private individuals, there is no obligation. The reform does not apply to them, and if you are not ready on September 1st, there will first be formal notices, not an immediate fine. But you might as well do it now. It's free, it takes 5 minutes, and then you're all set. A quick word on the plans. There are 3 of them. The essential version is the free one. It includes full invoicing, the approved platform, receiving electronic invoices, and basic accounting tracking if you sync your business bank account. For bank synchronization, Indie is recommended with French banks suited to self-employed professionals. You'll find my recommendations at the link YB.Digital/bank in the description. La version Plus ajoute des fonctionnalités pratiques comme la relance automatique des impayés, la signature électronique des devis et les factures récurrentes. The premium version includes all of that, plus integrated tax filing and priority access to support. To get started, the free version is more than enough. You can always upgrade later if you need to. That's how simple it is. In 5 minutes, you create your Indie account, activate the approved platform, and you're compliant for September 2026 for free. You do not need to be an accountant. You do not need to understand every detail of the reform. The concrete obligation for you is just this: to have chosen a receiving approved platform before September 2026. And once that's done, you're covered. Both links are in the description. YB.Digital/go/Indie to create your Indie account, and YB.Digital/bank if you're also looking for a compatible business account. If you have questions about electronic invoicing or about Indie, leave them in the comments, I reply. And if this video helped you, consider sharing it with other business owners around you who may not be aware of this yet. See you soon!